Hey, I was just acting like an airplane. Do you like airplanes? I do too. And in this video, we're gonna see a lot of airplanes. Here we go. Pause it right there. Look at that plane. Look at all the colors. Let's name all the colors. There's blue, red, a little bit of orange, and gray. Wow, that's a really colorful airplane. All those airplanes are so cool. So what did we see? We saw a bunch of airplanes flying in the sky. We saw a bunch of airplanes going on the ground. And some planes are really colorful. Well, let's look at some kids acting like airplanes.